Okay, so this is our little chef today. You want to take over my channel. So, boy, what are you making today?
I'm gonna make cake pop for my whole family.
Cake pots for your own family?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's dive into it.
Today we're going to put in egg.
Okay, go ahead and pour it. Careful. Woo! Yeah. So the next thing you're going to pour the vegetable oil.
We're going to put a vegetable oil.
And here we're going to be adding powdered sugar, half cup of powdered sugar.
We're going to add half powdered sugar.
Go ahead and add it. Add everything.
Everything.
Yay. Can you fix it? Fix it here. Fix it there. Now, like this. Put it this way. Push it up. Yeah, twist it. Yay. Oops. Okay.
This was still going to blend it.
Yep.
So this way on it.
Yeah, put it down. No, you're going to twist it here and take it down. Then here, start it here. Move it like this. Oh, it's not on the socket. Let's go ahead and put it. It's too high.
Number 4. Okay. Okay.
This is a sieve. Put it here. So we're going to measure flour. Add. So put it on the sieve. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. You're not saying what you're adding.
Flour.
It's baking powder. Say baking powder.
Baking powder.
So we're going to be adding it 1.5 teaspoon. We're getting more half of it. Yeah, save it. Okay. That is it. I'm going to go ahead and
put this.
Put this back. Push it up, you twist it. Yeah, put it down. Yeah, big boy. Wait. We're going to add milk first.
Oh, you forgot.
No, off it.
I didn't know that. We're going to add milk.
Yeah, now you can on it. You are screaming on the camera. Shake. I think it's done. Shake it off it.
Okay, now let's kick it out. Oh.
Don't worry, let's bring it.
Now go and kick it.
No,
we were making it already.
You have to be very fast so it doesn't get burnt. Easy. I'm making the cake pops. It's full already. Go to another place. It's for the vine. Be fast.
You go to the next one, please.
Then shake it.
Is done.
Let's be getting that out, right?
Yeah.
But it's still very hot.
Okay. Can you give me something?
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
It's hot, be careful.
Okay, be careful. Well, make some that is tiny.
Careful, it's hot.
It's just making one up for it to get hot. It's not done yet. It's not.
It's done.
Oh, but this one is not done. This one is not done. This one is not done. That one is not done. See? Yeah, it looks like pancake. That's around this area like pancake waffles. Pancake waffles. Uh-huh. Probably yeah, like a king. King pancake waffle. This one is beautiful.
You have to allow it to be cold.
I'll touch this one because it's cold.
Chocolate.
So now we're going to use our chocolate. And now we're going to we're going to smash it up and
Continue. I'm going to melt it.
we're going to melt it and we're going to make sticks and we're going to melt this in the microwave and we're going to wait. Can I help? Trying to help.
So hot.
Oh boy.
It's hot.
Okay, yeah.
That's good.
That's enough. And we got the pot sticks today. And we're going to put it on. I opened it because I want to wait for it to be done. Yes, I mean that.
So, see, you know, open it.
Somebody happy